Hi friends, this is Venkat Swami. I come again with a new tool as I promised. Before I released the equity bar copy data analysis automation tool, which it's got very huge response, and thank you for all the subscribers. Now, as I promised, I come up with new tool, EOD basis tool. F&O summary, and this tool is based on Google Sheet and Excel both. Whichever you are converting, please let me know. Okay, I will explain you about the tool. Here it is in Google tool. It's last updated on EOD 23 July 2001. So yeah, today is Saturday, so Friday was the last trading day. So it's taking all the F&O stocks prices, then maximum open interest for call and maximum open interest for put, which is called as support one and resistant one. And second highest open interest for call is called support 2, and second highest open interest for put is called resistant. That's called resistant 2. S1 S2 R1 R2. And where is the means what is the situation of LTP now, where it is trading, means it is in between S1 and S2, or S1 and R1, or R1 and R2, either it is below support level or above resistance level. So here I have shown it is below resistance zone, between support and resistance, and support zone, resistance zone. So you'll get to know where the LTP is and how it is going to be behave price in coming days. And here I have shown some near support call option and put option, what is the LTP for that one. And in the same way here it is max pain for the same symbol. And what is the LTP is trading above the max pain or below the max pain. Who believes the max pain theory? So it is, of course it's not like that, but it will expire at the same price of max pain, but it will travel around that one and expire around near the place or somewhere else. So if it is above the max pain, means it is going to come down, means it's a bearish view for that one. And if it is below the max pain, means it is going to reach max pain, means it's a bullish scenario for that one who believes max pain. So here we are showing how far it is from spot. So at the end of the day, if you find it is, see here it is from 7% far from LTP ACC. So maximum chances are it is going to come down. So in the same way you can take the steps or book your profit or trailing your stop loss or exit according to your theory. So this is our EOD based summary for all F&O tools at one place. And here it is the same tool in Excel. So just if we click get data at the EOD, means sometimes 8 o'clock, some 9 o'clock, or some 10 o'clock, like that. Yeah, now it is updated 23rd July. Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the stocks which are trading in future and options. Of course, in the same way here also support 1, support 2, resistance 1 and resistance 2, and where the spot price is trading at, near support and near resistance call price, put price, and max pain where the current price current spot price is trading it, and how much percentage it is far from max pay. I hope you understand the tool and the purpose of this tool. If you have any doubts or questions, I need to get this tool, just send an SMS or join below, join the group which is described below video. Thank you very much.